What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 7th of May, we're taking a look at Aerodrome Finance this evening. Ticker symbol AERO USD. This will be the US dollar pair. Coinbase will be where the price data is. It'll also be a daily chart. Let's jump right into it, guys. Bitcoin up 300 bucks, not too bad. Taking a look here at Aerodrome, what's been going on recently. So we actually put in another lower low yesterday. Let's see, this candle was actually, that was today. We're already trading on the 8th, which would be Wednesday. So today's candle put in a new low, $1.06 for this Coinbase chart. We also put in a new high today, $1.25 on the money. So not quite a bullish engulfing pattern candle, but close. If we would have closed up above the previous day's candle body, we would have a bullish engulfing candle. That would be quite well. We didn't get that, although we didn't close lower. We took the lows out, took the highs out, and we did close slightly higher for the day. It would have been better to see the candle close up, higher in the range, but that's just, that's the way it is sometimes. So far today, off to a decent start. We have a higher low. So, here we go again. Let's see what happens here. What we're looking for is, these markets, and then today was another testament to that, is we're still testing the lows here. So, maybe today was it, but yesterday, obviously, the 6th of May was not, either was the 5th and so on. We're still putting in new lows, so this market's still trying to find where it wants to put in its footing. So we want to keep an eye on those lows for them to hold. That would be $1.06200 for this Aerodrome Finance chart. So basically, if we can put in a higher low for the day, it'll indicate to us that the price is more likely to move higher than it is lower over the next couple days. But as the markets continue to put in new lows, every day, we just don't know where that will stop. We hope it stops somewhere in here between the 85. Basically, you want to close above 85.20. That would be above the support, and it would get us above the low of this move from the 30th of April. We threw the fibs up on here. We'll do that again. Let's see. We took the high from the 12th. We'll take the lows over here. And you can see we're still there hanging around the 236 at $1.06. The fib level here, the 0.236. Be nice not to undercut that, especially with a close, because that would indicate to us that we're probably going to head back down to 85.20 support level. But right now, we're off to a good start today for today's candle, which is actually tomorrow's candle, which is Wednesday, the 8th of May. But like I said, keep an eye on those lows. We don't want to take them out. If we do, then obviously the lows of this move are not in yet, and we want to see a higher low, and that'll tell us that markets are more likely. The odds favor a bullish move than a bearish move, at least for the couple days ahead. We want to see a higher low put in. If you're new to the channel, a lot of new subscribers in the past couple of weeks. We have a major support at 85.20. We have a move right up into 128. Perfect, guys. This is exactly how these price levels work. 128 resistance. Now, what we want to see is somewhere in here, we want to see a higher low, higher than this low. We want to see a higher low somewhere in here. And then we look for a massive move to the upside. Potential massive move to the upside that can take place. So that would be a decent area to consider getting into a long position. So not financial advice, but there's been times where I've stepped in and bought either stocks or the indexes when markets print a higher low, betting on that they move up in that next bullish leg to the upside. Let me show you real quick. We'll jump back here to the Aerodrome chart. So hang around there. Let me show you what took place recently on the SPX, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Covered this a little bit in the last video. So we did the pullback, the lower high, higher low, massive run to the upside, especially with a big gap like that. So you can see when it takes place, and you can spot and you can catch those lows. It is a good place to get into a long position. And I want to show you one more thing here. So we actually put in a low and then rallied, and then the next higher low was quite a bit off that higher low, but it still led to a good rally. We'll see if these markets cool off or not for the SPX anyways. So that's what we're watching, guys. We're waiting for a higher low to come in, and we want to, we want the daily charts, the daily candles to stop making new lows, and then we're just looking for that next run higher. My targets for that next run higher, once it begins, we should be able to get back above 128, 136, 76, and the target number one is 156.80. 156.80 for this Coinbase chart, and then $1.8611. Those are my two levels that I would look for this leg up here to run to. If it doesn't stop at 156.80, maybe we find a little bit of a pullback at 186.11. So we'll see. We'll see if we even get the leg higher. That's what I'm rooting for. I'm not bearish. I'm more bullish, if anything, but I try to just stay neutral and let the charts tell me what they're about to do. Just like the chart found support here, we closed way up in the range on the 30th of April. That told me that, yes, support held at the level 85.20, 84.494, and we're more likely now, the odds just favor us heading up and potentially finding resistance at 128. And that happened perfectly. It took 3 days before we rolled over. Took 1 day down here for support. Usually sell-offs are much quicker and can happen in a day or two. Topping candles can usually take a couple days, if not much longer, before markets really top out. We saw that over here at the $1.86. Big move up. Traded sideways. Got a big whipsaw candle here on the 12th. Traded sideways a couple days, and then finally rolled over, putting in resistance at $1.83.529, and then ultimately rolling over even heavier. So we'll see. There's no guarantee that this low is in. These markets could still pull back. We could take out the 85.20 and head lower. It really depends on what Bitcoin decides to do. But like I said, overall, I'm usually rooting for the bullish move. But if the charts don't say that's about to happen, then it doesn't really matter what I feel or how I think. I just think it's going short in markets. I don't even know if you can short Aerodrome, actually, but just talking about other markets, going short, you can make money. It's usually pretty quick and doesn't last. Doesn't mean it's always like that. You can get into some pretty long trends to the downside on the major indices, but I'd rather just be long and root for people being bullish. So anyways, that is my thoughts here on Aerodrome, guys. Like I said, we have a higher low today. It's very early in the trading session for Wednesday the 8th. We don't want to take out the lows from yesterday the 7th, and the resistance above the market is at 128, 136.76. Once again, target number one for this leg up, if it takes place, is 156.80. 186.11 would be target number two. So let's say we just rally from here throughout the night and we find ourselves up at 156.80. I don't think that'll happen, but if it does, that's a 40% move. And then if it keeps on going to our new target number two, $1.86, you're at about a 67% move higher. And not too much further after that, guys, we'll be breaking into some new highs here. So we just want to see a change in trend back to the upside. We want to see a higher low and a higher high, and that'll give us that confirmation that the downtrend is over. We put the higher low in, the higher high, and start to look at our upper two targets, 156.80, 11. That's my thoughts here on Aerodrome, guys. We'll be back in the morning with some more videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining the channel. Appreciate it. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Hit that thumbs up. It does help the channel. All links down below. It does also support the channel. Of course, not financial advice. You guys have a great evening.